Juliana n'abatanze omuhwezo wa director wa Health Monitoring Unit omu State House niwahireyo kurabura oku izooba rya nyamwebazi bwabire nabugana abashaho abari omu district ya Ntungamo. Omu rukiiko oru bashohwize n'ebirugiro omu kucondooza oku batwire nibakora omu district egyo omu by'amagara kuruga okwezi kwa mwenda omwaka ogu.
And we found that there were issues there to do with non-existent cost centers which were having health workers attached to them. We also found that there were some health workers who actually did exist in that district, but they were on the payroll. We also found that people were getting money or allowances that were not accrued to them.
Babembezi ba district egi basimire State House aho kubaho omukono okujumbura ebikorwa by'ebijwire omu health system. Bagumize ngu na department ezindi nazo zikiri kubi. Aba bahigira abashaho kurekeraho kugira omutima gwenda kwihaho bakorera okutunguura omutindo gw'ebyamagara.
Government has given top priority the enhancement of salaries of health workers. Government has been increasing allowances, lunch allowance. I remember at one time it was at 66. But before this massive salary enhancement for scientists, some of them were earning up to 500.
We serve a population of over 500,000 people, making us the second largest contributor of service delivery in terms of the people we reach.
Dr. Brian Arinitwo kurire timu ejeriyo necondoza district ya Ntungamo agambira orukiiko ngo kucondoza oku bakozire bashanjire sente ziri kuhika biliyoni 2 na miliyoni 225 n'emitwaro 46 kashanju 14 zikakozesebwa omu mikono mibi omu kushashura abakozi b'ebishobobo okushashura za allowance z'ebiwani kandi ezindi tiziina accountability. Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.